Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. So first of all, you have to open your WhatsApp application. After that, now you can see the three dot option here. Click on it. And now you can see couple of options here. You have to click on the settings. And now you can see couple of options here. You have to click on the privacy settings. Click on it. And then now you can see the last seen and online. Click on that option. After that, now you can see we have two options here. We can set our last seen and we can set our online status. So first of all, we have to set your last seen. If you want to make it for everyone, you can do it. If you want to just show your context, if you want to select specific persons, you can do this. And if you want nobody, you can hide from everyone. And now you can see option here who can see I'm online. So you can do as everyone, or you can do same as last seen. And this way you can share or hide your online status and last seen. So I hope you guys understand the video. Please follow for more videos and click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you guys next videos.